Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable and you have to use the USB debugging on this device. So first of all, enable the USB debugging. We need to enable the developer option. So in this device, I already enabled the developer options. To enable developer options, simply go to About Phone and go to the software information and tap on 7 times on the build number to enable developer options. After enable the developer option, open the developer options. Okay, now scroll down under debugging section. Here you can see the option USB debugging. So here you can see it is not able to enable. So to fix this one, just search here auto blocker. Tap on this one and you need to disable this option. Now go back to your developer options. Now here you can see we can simply enable the USB debugging. Now again scroll down. So under networking sections, here you can see the option default USB configuration. Tap on this one and you need to select the option transferring files. And after this one, just take your USB. Now this is my USB. So you can easily connect to this device. Like this one. Okay. Now after this one, simply you can open your My Files. Okay. Now I am going to open My Files. So here you can see that internal storage, and if you tap on this one, you can easily access this USB. So simply in this way, we can enable and use the USB debugging on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.